What is good, my guys and girls of YouTube? It's your friendly neighborhood hobo, Justin Omoi here. And today, I got a question from a homie on Twitter, and he says something along the lines of this. Hey man, there's this effect I want to intimidate. It's like the big sound that feel they're talking through a megaphone. And then at that point I stopped. I was like, alright, megaphone, I got you. So I'm going to show y'all how to do the megaphone sound. And if you don't know how it sounds
something like this. So get ready to hear something. Well, you don't have to get ready because you already hear it right now. Welcome to Wendy's. Can I take your order?
Alright, so let's start from the top. Here we got a parametric EQ. The parametric EQ is going to cut our vocals, as you see right here. If you want, you can easily go here, go to old telephone, and then you see, oh, wait, hold on, wrong one. Radio, boom, just like that. And then, you could adjust like I was doing here. And just get a little bit of the everything there. Once you have a little bit of everything for this, you're good. We don't really want the high frequencies, because with high frequencies, it's more, updated. Sounds cooler, better. Megaphones are meant to amplify just the mid-tones. It doesn't really catch the high highs, Otherwise, you hear that ooh sound in it. After the EQ, we're going to need a blood overdrive, fruity blood overdrive. It's in FL Studio. Look for it. And this is the setting I have it on. Of course, if I turn it on right now, y'all will die. So, warning, 3, 2, 1. Here's a test of how it sounds. That's how the loudness part comes in. And, yeah, loudness. And
with these two combined, it sounds like this. So, it's just like a megaphone in some sense, okay? And yeah.
Lastly, I have a fruity reverb too, and the only thing I'm doing is I have barely any wet, I'd say 9%, and barely any decay, 0.4, and have this open here. It should be default like that, but this is usually what you want for just a little bit of presence in the sound. The reverb helps because,
megaphone, reverb, la, la. You hear it's like flat. Yeah. Helps. It helps create that little cone or megaphone sound. It's better than not having it on.
Additionally, you could put in a another filter or something, and with the filter it can help give you that Travis Scott sound effect, like he was asking.
So yeah. This is how it sounds. Yeah. Let me put this down. This is how it sounds to that, generic trends. Anyways, hopefully this helps. If anything, just pause the video and copy these 3 thingamajiggies here, statistics. But yeah, thank you guys and girls for this quick video here. My name is Justin Omoi. Like the video if you like it. And yeah, if your ears hurt, it's all good. Peace. I'm out. Oh yeah, we can't forget about the